And I am very sorry in behalf of my men na nagkamali sa inyo. I'm very sorry. But I cannot control all of them. Lahat sila trained police officer. Alam nilang rules of engagement. But alam mo, once you are in the ground, you will always use your discretion. Hindi mo yan talaga, instinct yan ng tao, discretion. At nakita ko rin naman na ginamit na nagkakamali. Inaamin ko may nagkakamali. Pero pinagbibigyan ko kung saan nyo gusto mag-file ng case, pinagbibigyan ko, hinahayaan ko. At lahat po yan na-process ang crime scene. Which is not under my control ang crime scene. Separate unit mo humahawak niyan. Then I am sorry to all victims kung hindi ko na-investigahan isa-isa yung case nyo.